In this video, I will cover basic color management for printing with the Brother Garment Printer using Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud. After opening Photoshop, go to the Edit menu and then choose Color Settings. It is always a good idea to save the original settings by clicking Save on the upper right-hand side. For printing with the Brother GT Garment Printer, you'll want to choose sRGB IEC 61966-2.1 and US Webcode Swap version 2 for your working space. Under the drop-down option for gray, choose Gray Gamma 2.2. Under Color Management Policies, choose Convert to Working Space for RGB, CMYK, and Gray. For profile mismatches, check mark Ask when opening and Ask when pasting. For missing profiles, check mark Ask when opening. Under Conversion Options, choose Adobe ACE for your engine, and for your intent, choose Relative Colorimetric. After you have made these changes, it is always best to save your color settings. Click the Save button to the right, name the file Brother Settings, then click Save. For the comment window, type a brief description and press OK. Next, go to your Windows Start button and choose All Programs. Under the Brother GT Tools, click on the Useful Tools link. On the browser page that pops up, click on the gtcolors.t.aco file and save it. Now go back to Photoshop. If your swatch panel is not already open, go to the window menu at the top and select Swatches. Click on the small flat menu on the far right corner of the swatch panel and choose Replace Swatches. Path to the folder where you saved your file in the previous step and select gtcolors.t.aco file and click Load. If you need additional support, please fill out our web form at brotherdtg.com/help for further assistance.